Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, was a member of the British royal family as the husband of Queen Elizabeth II. Philip was born into the Greek and Danish royal families. He was born in Greece, but his family was exiled from the country when he was 18 months old. Prince Philip was born on 10th June 1921 in Moneropos, Corfu, in Greece. He married Queen Elizabeth in 1947. He has been the father of 4 children. These include Charles, the Prince of Wales, Anne, the Prince Royal, Prince Andrew, the Duke of York, Prince Edward, the Earl of Wessex. He went to Britannia Royal Naval College. In 1939, he also went to Gordonstoun School in Scotland. His father was Prince Andrew of Greece and Denmark, whereas his mother was Princess Alice of Battenberg. Prince Philip has been a sports enthusiast and helped the equestrian event of carriage driving. He was the patron, president, or a member of over 708 organizations and served as the chairman of the Duke of Edinburgh's award. After leaving Gordonstoun in early 1939, Prince Philip completed a term as a cadet at the Royal College in Dartmouth. Then he was repatriated to Greece, living with his mother in Athens for a month. In the mid-19 US dollars, Prince Philip holds nearly 28 billion US dollars in his assets. Buckingham Palace, 4.9 billion US dollars. The Duchy of Cornwall, 1.3 billion US dollars. The Duchy of Lancaster, 748 million US dollars. Kensington Palace, 630 million US dollars. The Crown Estate in Scotland, 592 million US dollars. The Duke of Edinburgh has spent 4 weeks in UK hospital earlier this year to receive treatment and had a heart procedure, but returned to Windsor in early March. Today, the royal family, through the Queen of England, has announced the death of Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh. He passed away in the morning, peacefully, at Windsor Castle. For MRU TV, Asaf Semakula, Poko Poko News.